In the heart of the vast, unending ocean, a delicate dance of life unfolds. Underneath the glistening surface, a realm of wonder thrives. As the morning sun kisses the waves, playful dolphins leap and glide, painting arcs of joy across the expanse. Beneath them, elegant sea turtles gracefully navigate the currents, their ancient souls echoing tales of wisdom. In hidden crevices, vibrant coral gardens host a bustling community of colorful fish. The coral reefs, fragile yet resilient, shelter a symphony of life. Delicate seahorses sway with the rhythm of the tide, and clownfish dart amidst their anemone homes. In deeper realms, shadows dance as gentle giants whales journey through their aquatic domain. Their songs, a mysterious language, echo through the blue abyss. Nearby, mesmerizing jellyfish drift gracefully, their iridescent forms catching the light.
Amidst the beauty, a delicate balance is maintained. Every creature, from the smallest plankton to the mightiest whale, plays a role in this underwater saga. The ocean, an intricate tapestry of life, holds stories untold and miracles yet to be discovered, inviting us to cherish and protect its living.